The Idris Shah Foundation presents Tales of the Dervishes by Idris Shah. Teaching stories of the Sufi masters over the past 1,000 years, selected from the Sufi classics, from oral tradition, from unpublished manuscripts, and schools of Sufi teaching in many countries. First published 1967, published in this edition 2016. Narrated by David Ault. To my teachers, who took what was given, who gave what could not be taken. Preface. This book contains stories from the teachings of Sufi masters and schools recorded during the past 1,000 years. The material has been collected from Persian, Arabic, Turkish and other classics, from traditional teaching story collections, and from oral sources which include contemporary Sufi teaching centres. It therefore represents work material in current use as well as significant quotations from literature which has inspired some of the greatest Sufis of the past. Teaching materials used by Sufis has always been judged solely by the criterion of its general acceptance by Sufis themselves. For this reason, no historical, literary or other conventional test can be applied in deciding as to what may be included and what left out. In accordance with the local culture, the audience and the requirements of the teaching, Sufis have traditionally made use of appropriate selections from their unparalleled riches of transmitted lore. In Sufi circles, it is customary for students to soak themselves in stories set for their study, so that the internal dimensions may be unlocked by the teaching master as and when the candidate is judged ready for the experiences which they bring. At the same time, many Sufi tales have passed into folklore or ethical teachings, or crept into biographies. Many of them provide nutrition on many levels, and their value as entertainment pieces alone cannot be denied.